we have a grey-green gallows bracket, and these were cream but they're now green. No fascia board up there yet, got to get that, but that's what it's going to look like with a window, of course. And then down here, lo and behold, we have stairs. We've got stairs. So if we walk in here and then walk up the stairs, we have a floor, nicely glued floor. So this is the space that we're going to have. Lots and lots of space. We've actually put plastic over the windows just to protect it for the weekend because it could well get wet as rain is forecast. So here we have it. Nice bit of flooring, all glued up and ready to go. And nicely set up. Here's going to be, along here is where the garage door is going underneath. So we're actually putting in a bench. So there'll be a benching along here. And obviously we'll be looking out of the window one day. So there we have it. So we're not getting too badly off. Catch you later, guys.